Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. So I think it's your second or third video.
Yes, it is my second video.
Second video. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling good.
You're feeling good.
Yeah.
So today I have plenty of questions for you. Are you excited to answer all of them?
Yeah, I'm excited for answer of all of them.
Okay. Can you speak a little loud?
Yeah, I can speak a little
What's your
loud.
name?
My name is Samriddhi.
Where are you from?
I'm from Prayagraj.
Why are you learning English?
I'm learning English because I have to learn. I have to strong my English.
You have to make strong your English.
Yeah,
Why do you have to make your English strong?
I have to make my English strong because I my mother said that you have to know how to translate Hindi to English sentence.
Okay. If you get a chance to become the Prime Minister of India, would you like to become?
If I get a chance to become a prime minister of India, so I will become, and I will do a lot of things in
So what changes
India.
would you like to make in India?
I would like to change like Rajasthan. There are a lot of hotness in Rajasthan. So I will sir कम करने को क्या कहते हैं?
Decrease.
I will decrease the hotness of Rajasthan.
Okay. So you will especially focus only on Rajasthan. What about Delhi? You're living in Delhi but don't have any kind of emotions for Delhi.
Yeah, I have emotions of Delhi. First of all, I will decrease the pollution of Delhi, and I will
Okay, suppose if you had superpowers. So what superpowers would it be?
if I had a power, so I would be like a fly. I
Like
would,
you could fly.
yeah.
If I say you Swaha, now you can fly. So where will you go?
I will go in sky.
In the sky.
Yeah.
Okay, who is in the sky? Your friends.
No, my friends is not in sky.
So where will you go in sky? Who will you meet?
I will not meet nothing
So why are you going to sky?
because I like to see the whole India from up.
From the upper side.
Yeah, upper side.
Whole India.
Yeah,
Do you love India?
yeah, I love India.
Do you know what is our independence date? When did we get the freedom?
Yeah, I know.
What is that?
In 15 August 47.
1947. And do you know the date of our formation of constitution?
What?
Constitution, Samvidhan. I think
No,
you don't know. Why do
no,
we
I know.
celebrate 26th of January?
Uh, we celebrate 26th of January because
Do you like to watch movies?
yeah, I like to watch movies.
Who is your favorite hero?
My favorite hero is Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah,
This one Shah Rukh Khan.
yeah.
What is your favorite movie of Shah Rukh Khan?
I like Brahmastra.
Brahmastra. In
Yes.
Brahmastra there is no Shah Rukh Khan. Shahid Kapoor.
He, she,
I think it is Jawan.
yeah, she's the one.
Yeah, we forgot the name. That's nice. So, who is your favorite actress?
My favorite actress is uh, I don't have an actress. I forgot his name.
Her name.
Her name.
You don't have any favorite actress.
No.
Okay. Suppose Samriddhi, you get a chance to handle this tuition. Now you are the owner of the tuition. You are the director of Inside Academy English. Everyone will have to listen to you. Whatever you are saying to them, they will have to listen to you. If you are saying to a person that go and sit there, so he will go and sit there. You're saying to B that go and do that work, so he will go and do that work. How will you feel?
I will feel good, and I will feel tired because I have a lot of work if I owner of this tuition.
So, do you really feel that it is the great work that we do while being a owner of the tuition, while being the teacher of the tuition? Because there are so many students, and it becomes very hard to manage them. Do you really feel that it is?
Yeah, I feel that.
Okay. What would your mom be doing right now?
My mom would be do right now, uh, cook food
Your mom would be cooking food right now.
yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So Samriddhi, like this is your video, and this video was not already scripted, and I did not tell you about topics. We are just discussing randomly. But in future videos, onwards videos, we will have a topic, and we will have a depth discussion about the topic for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and I will have a sheet of questions in my hand, and I will ask questions by that sheet. So would it be better or not?
In my opinion, it be better.
It would be better.
Yeah.
Okay. What will be your message about other people who are not able to speak English right now and they want to learn English but they are not joining Insight Academy? So should they join Insight Academy?
If people are scared of learning English and speaking English, so do not scared and speak English very well. You can speak fluently, and if you have any institute around your home, so you should join
You must join that.
institute.
You should invest your
You
money. You must
must
join that
you must join it.
because learning English is very important. We are
Yeah.
not saying that you just need to join Insight Academy English, but instead of this tuition, you can join any tuition. There are many more creators who are making such videos and they are also operating their institutions like me, and so you can also join them. It doesn't mean you have to learn it, so just make it possible. Okay, Samriddhi, now you can ask questions. As we
Okay.
are running late today and we have recorded a lot of videos, so I'm feeling tired now. I should have something. Now ask
Okay.
questions.
So, sir, why do we need food?
I think you have already asked this question in the recent video, the last video.
Oh yeah. Uh, who is your? mm, Do you like your mother?
Yes, I like my mother.
Whom do you love most?
Options:
Like mother, father, grandparents.
grandparents, my grandfather and my grandmother.
Do not love your parents.
I love my parents, but if I compare, so I love my grandparents most.
Okay. So if you if you get a chance to wander your whole world alone, so will you wander or not?
Yeah, of course, if I get a chance to wander the whole world, so it will be a great opportunity for me, first of all, and I would like to wander the whole world, and I will start from Delhi.
Okay.
No, no,
Uh, where are you from?
I'm from Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh.
Oh, now I don't have any
No
questions.
problem, because I'm tired right now, so I'm not able to record more videos. So it was a nice talking to you. And
Thank
how do
you.
you feel now?
I'm feel good.
You're feeling good.
Yeah.
Okay, so nice talking to you.